146 species in genus Capparis. October 5th, Capparis, Capparis, the caper bush, defines October 5th. Capparis symbolizes resilience and creativity. You find innovative solutions and thrive under pressure. Like its versatile uses, your potential is boundless. A world of capers, my exploration of the Capparis genus. As a botanist, my fascination with the plant world knows no bounds. But there's a particular genus that has always held a special place in my heart: Capparis. This diverse group of flowering plants belong to the Capparaceae family, commonly known as caper shrubs or caper bushes, boasts over 140 species scattered across the subtropical and tropical regions of Africa, Eurasia, Australasia, and the Pacific. My journey into the world of Capparis began with a simple encounter: a jar of capers in my local market. These tiny, pickled flower buds, bursting with flavor, sparked a curiosity that led me down a botanical rabbit hole. I soon discovered that these culinary delights came from a fascinating genus with a rich history and a wide array of uses. Diverse forms and habitats. Capparis species are incredibly diverse, ranging from sprawling shrubs to woody climbers. They thrive in a variety of habitats, from arid deserts and rocky outcrops to lush rainforests and coastal dunes. This adaptability is a testament to their resilience and evolutionary success. One of the most striking features of Capparis is their showy flowers. These blooms come in a variety of colors, from pristine white and delicate pink to vibrant yellow and deep purple. The flowers are typically large and fragrant, attracting a diverse array of pollinators, including bees, butterflies, and even bats. But the true magic of Capparis lies in their fruit. These berries, often referred to as caper berries, are equally diverse in size, shape, and color. Some are small and round, while others are elongated and resemble cucumbers. They can be green, yellow, red, or even purple when ripe. These fruits are not only a visual treat, but also an important food source for various animals, including birds and mammals. A genus of many uses. Capparis has a long history of human use, dating back thousands of years. The most well-known use is, of course, the culinary application of capers. These pickled flower buds are a staple in Mediterranean cuisine, adding a unique, piquant flavor to dishes like pasta puttanesca, chicken piccata, and bagels with lox. But the uses of Capparis extend far beyond the kitchen. In traditional medicine, various parts of the plant have been used to treat a wide range of ailments, from headaches and toothaches to skin infections and even cancer. Some species are also used in agroforestry and as ornamental plants. Exploring the species. The sheer diversity of Capparis species is truly remarkable. See full list at monsteraholic.com. The future of Capparis. As we face growing challenges like climate change and food security, the importance of understanding and utilizing plant diversity cannot be overstated. Capparis, with its adaptability, resilience, and diverse uses, holds great potential for the future. Whether it's developing new food sources, exploring medicinal properties, or utilizing species for ecological restoration, the possibilities are endless. As a botanist, I am excited to continue my exploration of this fascinating genus and contribute to unlocking its full potential for the benefit of humanity and the planet.